Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software before market open. This is simplicity, this is purity on short. Short comes from the bold red line. Price reaches critical key target. Pay attention, please. This is ultimate precision, this is ultimate simplicity, and the reason system and software are traded globally on all instruments. Identical events playing out on Apple, on Euro, on Bitcoin, on Tesla, on Amazon. Prior to the trading day, intelligent traders this morning understands. You cannot short this support. Critical key target on short is reached. Market is a mess. Price is stuck at critical key day trading support. So if I convert this chart to 5, this is a market now. This is predictive alpha Fibonacci chess. With your intelligent, brilliant brain, you understand. Institutions keep buying the market. We need powerful pullback. Yesterday market was in flawless place. Spectacular bullish rally started pre-market. Flawless. This is ideal. This is where intelligent trader wants to be. So in case you miss the events in the trading room, let me remind you. This is a market before open. This is a market on Sunday. It's a day trader's dream to buy where institutions buy. Market is 24/7. Our legend stopping by to report trading overnight session. European session produces at least 50% of the entry. Market skyrocketing clearly right before open due to major news an hour before. Flawless, spectacular, breathtaking. In US session, entirely different market. In US session, entirely different move. When bullish rally overextended at market extremely high. Here comes worthless retail pullback. Here comes key support to the downside. Again, this applies to every chart. Here we are right now on July 18th. Entirely different trading morning than yesterday. How you adjust to market conditions, how you prepare for your trading day is 80% of your success. The final step, critical key rules and place a trade. So prior to the market open, intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is brick wall, this is a problem. Intelligent trader also knows far in advance. Institutional move continues up. Powerful pullback is crucial. If you will choose to buy here, it's aggressive move. I teach my traders to think as JP Morgan traders who trading Alpha Fibonacci system. This move up started in the month of March on daily chart. If I take you back to the start of the March, in case you missed the events, this is what was playing out in this trading room. March 1st. Massive number of trades setting up in the month of March. Market oversold. Buying the bottom is intelligent move. By the end of March, bullish rally picking up the steam. In July, we're in an entirely different place. But if you're paying attention to institutional move and you understand it's entirely, totally, completely identical event as played out yesterday, this morning we are in a very different place. This was breathtaking. This is mess. Institutions keep adding to longs, but we are no longer at the bottom, we're extremely high. Move continues up, and you knew all of this months in advance. Institutional holds create challenging market conditions. Intelligent trader buying the pullbacks at critical key Alpha Fibonacci levels, knowing far in advance when to be in front of the screen. Babysitting the markets is not an option. Staring at the screen, having no clue where to enter, where to exit the trade is not an option. Institutional holds are on. Vicious market setting up this fall. Are you prepared for volatility? Do you understand how important this event is? Do you understand what will play out next? You're holding positions for months? As a multi-billion dollar trader who trading Alpha Fibonacci system as investor, you're using daily chart as options trader. And when you're looking at this mess this morning, you are not surprised where it's coming from. Sellers are worthless, institutions holding longs. 700, 800 points plus in profit. It's entirely different trading in July than in March. March is a dream. Major mess in the months of May. June, trader tested to the core. Pullback is weak in the months of June. Market stuck right now doing absolutely nothing. It's a bullish crawl. It's institutional hold. Buyers picking up this theme. There is nothing else. This is the only option this morning. Intelligent trader understands that. So when you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci system. You're focusing on simplicity only. What is the problem this morning? This level, this brick wall to the upside. Price is stuck. Intelligent trader does not stare at the screen. Intelligent trader understands conservative trading this morning does not exist. It's between this and this with extremely narrow trading range. Maximum brain capacity to trade successfully 90 minutes per day. All of our successful traders work a lot less than 10 hours per week. This is brutal, this is nasty. Worst possible case, market skyrocketing. It's a crawl that started in European session. That's it. Sellers are worthless traders. It's a crawl, it's a pain. Yesterday, entirely different place. How you adjust to market conditions is everything. Identical spectacular reversal played out on Amazon. The events on Amazon in 2022 is a stunning reminder. Amazon is not a safe haven. Holding position for years is not a brilliant option. So if day trading is not for you and you're using system long term, you exited Amazon at reversal zone in 2021 in the months of February, before the sell-off. That's it. Here's a chart from this trading room, February 1st, 2021. Before Amazon collapsed, more than 60%. Does this look familiar? It's identical level. And you know many months in advance, this level to follow. This level will be war zone. It's identical event we're expecting on S&P this fall. Do you know how to trade this? Are you prepared for extreme volatility? Do you know how to separate junky pullbacks versus institutional sell-off? Are you prepared? Do you remember the events of 2022? Do you understand that with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you can short the top and buy the bottom, not just on futures, but on Forex, on crypto, on stocks, on ETFs, on mutual funds? So when Amazon reversed from the bottom, it's a stunning reminder. Buy the bottom, not the top. There is no safe haven in trading. It does not exist. So if institutions keep adding to longs, You knew well before market open you cannot short into this level. You knew well before market open buyers fully in charge. For retail trader, it's a major problem. For options trader, it's a dream. For investor, it's spectacular bullish rally. Trading 5 minutes this year, you produced hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of points. We review all the time frames in classes because every single trader can trade only certain time frames. Every single trader wired completely differently. Those who meant to be a sniper meant for day trading only, prepared quite well. Those who are not using system long term, looking at the charts once an hour, once a day, once a week, choice is yours. Every single person is different. Institutions trading too longs. You knew it well before market open. There is no sell-off. It's a crawl, it's a hold. Identical event playing out on all instruments this morning. So this is critical key test point. This is strategic intelligent chess. It's in front of you right now. We need the pullback to the bold green zone. Without it, price skyrocketing again. For retail trader, it's a problem. Obey the rules and the sky's as a limit. Understand what makes so much in common between you and institutional traders versus the difference. Institutional traders having a blast adding to long positions. For retail trader, it's a very challenging market this morning. Entirely different. But what's important to know, well before market open you knew quite well, you cannot short into this support. So when we're looking on Apple this year, what's important to know? Bullish rally on Apple started in December 2022. This morning, Apple in an entirely different place. This morning, vertical bullish rally on Apple extremely high. Here we are, 8 months later, in July. Apple setting up for critical key event this fall. But well before the event, intelligent trader understands 187 is a key support to the upside. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, Apple is up $70, 60%. That's it. Bitcoin. What a phenomenal sell-off. What a catastrophic crash. And you knew it well before it happened. No matter what Tom Brady says, no matter how many billions Michael Saylor loses, you're using your limitless brain. You're not jumping on bandwagon because of the hype. You understand how news is made. You understand how billions of dollars are traded with hype, with noise against retail traders. All the hype on Bitcoin is on. Tom Brady hyping Bitcoin during Super Bowl. So Tom Brady can afford to buy hype Bitcoin during Super Bowl. Tom Brady can afford to lose $50 million. Michael Saylor lost 6 billion Bitcoin in a single day. Those are the guys hyping Bitcoin. So when you use your limitless brain and you understand shorting Bitcoin during that hype was the only brilliant move. Bitcoin collapsed 70%. This year, Bitcoin reversed from critical key Alpha Fibonacci support. Intelligent trader understands price moves one step at a time. This is key event with bearish correction on Bitcoin. This is lifeline on Bitcoin. This level is out, Bitcoin will sell off. 2023 move on Bitcoin is up. But the crash on Bitcoin, the crash on Amazon, the crash on Apple, the crash on all instruments is a stunning reminder. This is preview of much more in years to come. So if day trading is not for you, use system long term. And remember, when US dollar selling off, you had a good time in Canada when US dollar 40% up. Sell-off on US dollar continues. Bullish rally on Euro, spectacular. Alpha Fibonacci system identified the bottom. This is the only obstacle that left on Euro. This is to follow. That's it. So this is chart from the trading room from 2016 when I identified that 105 is a lifeline on Euro. Do you remember that event? Do you remember what played out last year? Do you remember how Euro collapsed? You are not surprised. You're extremely well prepared for sell-off and crash, buying the bottom on Euro. Identical event on Pound. Identical. But Pound crash was a lot more spectacular. You knew this many years in advance. 136 is out, 124 is out. Pound collapsed to 106. Reversing in 2022. That's it. Identical level on Pound, where Pound skyrocketed from in 2009, as playing out in front of you on S&P right now. Identical event on Tesla, on Amazon, on Apple, on Bitcoin. It's all the same. And that's predictive precision of Alpha Fibonacci software and system. This is a system you can apply to all instruments, all time frames, no software required. Again and again and again, when you trade with rules, the sky's the limit. Rules are a critical key part. Never cease to amaze me when complete beginner traders mastering the system within a couple of lessons. It shows you the simplicity. It shows you the importance of trading pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exits. Price is moving higher, higher, higher. But where to enter, you must know the rules. So if you can drive, if you can stay in your lane, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. Pull back to here is a gift. This is junk, this is noise. Intelligent trader does not touch this. Shorting the markets against institutions is extremely aggressive move. As of right now, pullback is junky, pullback is weak. That's it. Price is stuck. Identical event as last week when we had 5 bearish news and S&P skyrocketed 100 points. Identical event this morning. S&P keeps rallying despite 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish news this morning. S&P not selling off. And you knew it before market open, that markets are bullish. This is the only obstacle that's left. Retail brick wall. So if price would give us a gift and pull back to this level, it's a beautiful news. But again and again and again, this is strategic. This is intelligent. This is predictive trading. Stress-free. All you have to do, make an effort. The sky's the limit if you do. And that's a crucial key part this morning. Powerful pullback. If pullback is junky, nothing here to do. That's it. Can you obey red light? If yes, it's identical meaning of red level. Power is the only way to trade. Weakness cannot be traded. You're looking at weakness. You're looking at market that's stuck. So again and again and again, this is a test of our extended institutional rally. Institutional traders holding longs, adding 2 positions. So there is no powerful pullback this morning. It's a problem. It's continuous crawl, higher and higher and higher, despite bearish news. Stunning lesson again and again and again. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides all the news, time and time again. You learn your lesson on Amazon. Catastrophic collapse despite spectacular earnings. You learn your lesson on Bitcoin. Despite phenomenal hype, catastrophic crash. You're learning your lesson on S&P this morning. Another quadruple bearish news, another bullish move. So when you avoid the weakness, when you avoid the junk, and you trade with institutions, the sky's the limit. So every single trader trades different account, trades different instrument. Fireboards, loves trading Nasdaq. Every trader different account, every trader different instrument. CEO's words mean everything, everything. Legend trading all instruments was in class yesterday morning in the middle of the night in Australia. I want to reiterate what you teach is revolutionary in the trading space, and it allows one to just sit back and relax and look only for the highest probability trades, as opposed to taking what might appear to be very set up. That's it. And when trader shares phenomenal profits posted on the website, it's a stunning reminder. If Theo can do it, if Patrick can do it, thanking for wonderful classes and content over the last few months. His friend Carlton brought him to the course. Carlton keeps bringing his friends. Referral from Carlton was the best thing to ever happen in my trading career. I hear it time and time again. When the trader leaves Best Buy, making $10 an hour and supporting family of 5, it's because of simplicity of the system. It's because of precision of the system. And it's also because of self-awareness. Every trader different account, every trader different background. You decide what you want to trade. You decide what's appropriate for you and your risk management. It's that simple. Move continues up and up and up. So when I hear one of the kindest words from Ken, who is buying the house with cash, trading Alpha Fibonacci system, it's because Ken made phenomenal effort. As he said, I did not invest a single penny until I was winning 80% plus. Now I am at 100 and I trade only weekly chart. Movie maker, who made movie about Fibonacci Trading Institute, posted on the website we met in London. His daughter gave me this card. So again and again and again, when you trade the power, when you obey the rules, you can day trade Nasdaq, you can trade cryptos, Ken does, you can trade futures, forex, you can trade anything you choose with Alpha Fibonacci system on all platforms or software for NinjaTrader 8. Simply obey the rules. Your success starts from not trading junk. Your success starts from preserving your brain power. And that's the market this morning. Entirely different than yesterday, entirely different than European session, entirely different than pre-market. So if you're down chasing the markets and ready to trade as an intelligent strategic trader, I look forward to working with you. View movie Ken made about Fibonacci Trading Institute celebrating 12 years. Review everything on the website. View emails from traders from all over the world who are trading Alpha Fibonacci system on all instruments, all platforms, or with software for Ninja Trader 8. Choose the option appropriate for you. All on website. 4 options available. Private mentoring savings $8,000. Includes also group course, video library modules, trading room included in every option with live classes. Option 2, savings $5,000 group course. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Move continues up and up and up despite bearish news. And you know far in advance where it's heading to. And that's another lesson this morning on Alpha Fibonacci system overriding news time and time again on every single chart. And that's strategic intelligent trading only on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. I hope you're joining us soon.